Hello everyone, welcome to World Map Forum. In today's video, we will discuss about the national parks of Himachal Pradesh. So there are 5 national parks in Himachal Pradesh. So let's discuss each one by one. First one is Indar Kila National Park. This park is located in Kullu district. River Byas flows near the park. Now let me show you on the map. Here, Indar Kila National Park. This is our Pyara Bharat and this is Indar Kila National Park. Here you can see. Let me zoom this out a little bit more. As you can see here is Manali, and let me draw the lines. Here you can see this is Manali and this is Kasol, this is Kullu, and this is our Indar Kila National Park. And this park is located in Kullu district, as we have discussed earlier. So now let me remove all this. Coniferous and moist temperate deciduous forest is found over the national park of Indar Kila. Second park is Khir Ganga National Park. This park is located in Kullu district and it is contiguous with Great Himalayan National Park. And let me show you on the map Khir Ganga National Park. Khir Ganga National Park, here you can see this is Kullu and that's it. Here you can see this is Khir Ganga National Park and this is also showing Khir Ganga National Park, and the territory of Khir Ganga National Park is too vast, as you can see from the map. Let me zoom in a little bit more. This is Khir Ganga river which flows through Tos and Manikaran, and this Tos and Manikaran is tourist destination. This is Parvati Parvat. Let me erase all this. You can see here this is Khir Ganga National Park and here is Kasol. So now we have got the idea where the park is located. So now let me take you back. Wildlife Department proposed for a merger of Khir Ganga National Park to Great Himalayan National Park. So this is a proposal of Wildlife Department and this has not been clarified. The third national park is Pin Valley National Park. This is located in Spiti Valley with cold desert biosphere. Now let me show you on the map. Pin Valley National Park, here you can see. This is Pin Valley National Park near the Khir Ganga National Park. Let me zoom this out a little bit more. Here you can see this is Pin Valley National Park and it is also in Kullu district. Here you can see this is Pin Valley National Park and this is Bhuntar. This is Mandi. So now you have got the idea where the park is located. Now let me take you back. Pin Valley National Park has extreme climate and sparse vegetation, as you can see from the figure. This is cold desert and this park is famous for natural vegetation of snow leopard and Siberian ibex. As you can see, this is Siberian ibex and this is snow leopard. The fourth one is Great Himalayan National Park. This park is also located in Kullu region and this is UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now let me take you back on the map. Here, Great Himalayan National Park. Great Himalayan National Park. Here you can see this is Great Himalayan National Park and let me draw the line. This is Kullu, this is Kasol, this is Manali and this is Dharamsala, and you can see here our Great Himalayan National Park is located. Now let me erase all this. Okay, so you now have got the idea where the park is located. Great Himalayan National Park has diverse ecosystem, alpine, glacial, temperate and subtropical forests, and Himalayan Thar are popular. This is the beautiful picture of Himalayan Thar and it is very popular. And blue sheep, Himalayan brown bear and snow leopard are also found in the park. And this is brown bear, this is blue sheep, and this is snow leopard. Fifth one is Simbalwara National Park. This is located at the confluence of Terai Plains with Sivalik Ranges. Now let me show you on the map. Simbalwara National Park. This is also located in Himachal Pradesh. Here you can see. This is Simbalwara National Park, and this is the boundary of Himachal Pradesh state. Now let me zoom this out a little bit more. Here you can see this is Simbalwara National Park, and this is Dehradun, and this is Punjab. So it is located nearby the border of Dehradun and Punjab. So now let me take you back. This park has flora and fauna of Western Himalayas, and Gangetic and Punjab plain overlaps here. That's all for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. For more upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.